I will demonstrate the end product. I did not want to make it too acute. I'll try to give you a little bit more of the details. But I wanted to have a faceted approach, as you can see here. Also, it has a gentle point, but it's not too acute, not too sharp, so also not troublesome, but it will increase, of course, the force amplification at this point. Here again, the facets also I've tried to make it a little bit round. I will show you in the profile soon. And you have a little bit of the burned look because the machine that I use also creates some heat and it gives you a little bit of a tainted burned look, which I really appreciate. I will show you in the side profile also a little bit of rounded areas, as you can see, which I like a lot. So head on gives you this view, and now I'll show you the bigger side of things. Also see the rounded area there, if you focus on it. Nice faceted approach. Now the stick in its entirety. Beautiful lines in it. It's originally from a Parisian exchange. I think the tip might be ivory. It's the original tip. Really nice gentleman approach. And now more in profile, of course. Gives you the craftsmanship that I put on. So I put those facets on it. And I really enjoyed doing it. A little bit of relaxation that comes over you when you do work with your hands, which I really like. It has a little bit of the head profile of a bird or an animal, a dog, perhaps a snake. I really like that. Hope you do too. Have a great day. EDC out.